Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm studying in second standard. Today we are going to show you Once Upon a Time. The 14th page, the value of money. So let's get started. Hi guys, this is the value of money. Let's get started. The value of money. Once upon a time, there was a rich merchant. After many years of his marriage, he was blessed with a son. The merchant and his wife brought up with a lot of love and care. They fulfilled all his demands. The merchant and his wife pampered their son so much. He grew up to be a spendthrift. He never bothered about money and spent thoughtlessly. When the merchant and wife realized their mistake, they tried their best to improve their son, but it was too late. Then, one day, the merchant called his son and said to him, "Son, I will inherit everything that I have today, but only in one condition. You will have to prove that you are capable of earning and living. Until you prove yourself, you will not get a single paisa from my wealth." The son, deeply hurt by his father's words, he accepted the challenge and vowed, "I will certainly prove that I am capable of earning and living. The following morning, the son left home in search of work. At last, he got a job of coolie. He had to load bags of food grains into the cart and unload them at some other place. After toiling away the whole day, he earned 100 rupees. He took the money and returned home. He proudly gave the money to his father, and the father took the money and threw it into the well in their backyard. Every evening, the son would earn 100 rupees and give it to his father. The father would throw the money into the well. This routine continued for some days. One day, the son lost his patience and said angrily, "Father, why do you throw my hard-earned money into the well every day?" The father said, "I know after working hard the whole day you barely manage to earn 100 rupees. I also that your heart beats when I throw the money into the well. Well, son, I hope you realized your fault. Well, son, I hope you realized how I felt when you spent my hard-earned money thoughtlessly." The son was ashamed of himself. He realized his mistake. That day, he resolved, "Henceforth, I spent money thoughtlessly." So the moral of the story is do not be a spendthrift. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Hari Om, thank you.